It's the next morning after we survived. We slept a very long time and we bought some pastries now.
Yeah, and some ayran. And yeah, now we're going to have breakfast and have a really relaxed day after those adventures. Bing bong bong. Upload. Arin. This hint. Travel vlog season 2. Bing bing bong.
How many shots do we have about to sort out?
240.
Nice. We're looking for a bus to take to Bishkek and to cross the border to Kyrgyzstan. We're now at the big bus station and we'll find a bus to Kyrgyzstan. And Jacob is with us. He will continue to travel with us.
But just because he speaks Russian, we don't like this guy.
Yeah, it's the guide. Just crossed the border to Kyrgyzstan.
Right, so originally we wanted to take our mashrutka to Bishkek. It's like 20 kilometers, but then we met some guys and they're taking us with them in the car.
Just arrived at our hostel and now we will explore the area a bit.
Let's just give you a little overview where we currently are and where we were the last days. So first we flew to Almaty, which is in the southeast of Kazakhstan. From Almaty we took this road all the way to the Charin Canyon. This is the Charin Canyon over here. And from Charin Canyon we drove to over here, down here, and then into the wilderness over here. This is where we were lost and had to hike back towards the village, and from there we took the car back to Almaty. Then we spent one day in Almaty. Then we took the mashrutka from Almaty to the border to Kyrgyzstan, and then we met these nice people who took us to Bishkek, the last few kilometers. This is where we are right now, and next we want to drive towards Karakol, which is about here, close to the Tian Shan, which is close to the border to China.